Fermentolevain, the easiest way to make liquid leaven. It is possible to make the chef leaven directly into the Fermentolevain, simply by selecting the appropriate recipe and adding the ingredients of your choice. The water will be incorporated first to stimulate the mixing and prevent the formation of lumps in the leaven. This process will be used in the same way for every refreshed leaven. The scaling option is helpful for the recipe. As well as the withdrawal of leaven. It works by weighing of the machine. Therefore, it is essential not to disrupt the measure by leaning on Fermentolevain at this moment. The temperature and time parameters can be accessed instinctively thanks to the V-touch. With just a glance, the current cycle phase can be identified. Orange for fermentation, blue for conservation. Additional functionalities are easily accessible by touching the arrow icon. In the same way, cycles can be programmed and activated from the recipe menu. The recipes can be used at any given time. The recipe creation mode and other parameters can be protected by a password. Fermentolevain is equipped with a unique mixing tool that ensures a particularly active and homogeneous leaven. This equipment is also designed to be easily dismantled and washed in a washing machine. It is important to position properly the scrapers to prevent any deterioration. Once empty, Fermentolevain can be easily cleaned, either with the automatic cleaning cycle, which the option is available, or by using the hand spray. A long cycle and a shorter eco cycle are available. It is not necessary to add any detergent or cleaning agent. Furthermore, the tools can be dismantled and washed in a washing machine. Fermentolevain, the high-tech tradition.